Good day, learners. Welcome to Innovated Mathematics Reading Instruction Session 1. This session is all about translating phrases to symbols and vice versa involving addition operation. At the end of this session, you are expected to enumerate the keywords used in addition operation and translate mathematical phrases to symbols and vice versa in addition operation. These are the keywords in addition. Number 1, add. Number 2, altogether. Number 3, combine. Number 4, exceeds by. Number 5, gain or deposit. Number 6, increased by. Number 7, more than. Number 8, plus. Number 9, sum. And number 10, total. The symbol that we're going to use for addition is the plus sign. Now, let's translate mathematical phrases to symbols and vice versa involving the addition operation. The first keyword is add. We're going to use this word in a mathematical phrase. 5 added to a number. How are you going to translate this in symbols? Now, if you will encounter phrases like this, we have to write first the number before the 5. So a number may be represented by x, and the keyword added to means plus symbol, and we write this 5. So 5 added to a number is translated to x plus 5. So this is now our final answer. Here's another keyword, the word altogether. Instead of translating altogether to the plus sign, we will use the word and. Example, suppose you received 50 pesos from your father and a small amount of money from your mother. How much did you have altogether? So we use the keyword altogether, meaning to say we're going to combine the two amount in the problem. And what are these two amount? We have 50 pesos added to, so we use the word and this word will be translated to plus sign, and a small amount of money. Small amount of money can be represented by x. So our final answer now is 50 plus x. Note that the keyword altogether and the keyword in all are the same. Let's go back to the problem. Suppose you received 50 pesos from your father and a small amount of money from your mother. How much did you have altogether? This question can be rephrased to how much did you have in all? So altogether and in all are the same. Here is another keyword, that is combine. Now if you encounter this keyword, all we need to do is to translate the word and to the plus sign. Example, combine 5 and 10. So there's a keyword combine, so the word and will be translated to the plus sign. So we copy first 5. The word and means plus, and 10, we write 10. So combine 5 and 10 is translated to 5 plus 10. And that is our final answer. Here is another keyword, that is exceeds by. Example, B exceeds by 10. So we copy first B. Exceeds by means addition, so we translate it to plus sign, and we copy 10. So B exceeds by 10 is translated to B plus 10, and that's our final answer. Another keyword is gain from. Example, you gained 100 pesos from an initial investment. So the keyword here is gained from. So this gained from means addition. So gained meaning add. And 100 pesos, we write down here 100. And from an initial investment can be represented by a variable x. Now since we have this word from, all we need to do is to exchange x and 100 in their position. So x comes first and 100 will go to the second one and then bring down 100. So you gained 100 pesos from an initial investment can be translated to x plus 100. And that's our final answer. Note that the keyword gained from is the same as deposit from. In our previous example, you gained 100 pesos from an initial investment. You can change the word gained to that of the word deposited because they are just the same. So when you translate this statement, that will be x plus 100 in symbols. Another keyword is increased by. Let us use this in a mathematical phrase. Example, a number increased by 5. So we have a number and that can be represented by a variable x. Increased by means addition. So we translate this to a plus sign and we copy 5. So a number increased by 5 can be translated to x plus 5. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is more than. Let's use this keyword in a mathematical phrase. For example, 6 more than x. So 6 copy. More than means addition, so it can be translated to a plus sign, and we copy x. Now, since we have the word than, so 6 more than x. So what you will do is to exchange 6 and x in their position. So 6 more than x is translated to x plus 6. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is plus. Let us use this keyword in a mathematical phrase. Example, 8 plus a number. Copy 8 plus can be translated to a positive sign or a plus sign. A number can be translated to a variable x. So 8 plus a number is translated to 8 plus x. And that is our final answer. Here is another keyword, sum. The word sum indicates addition. So if you encounter the word sum in a mathematical phrase, all you need to do is to translate the word and in the mathematical phrase to addition operation. Example, the sum of m and 8. So the sum of indicates addition. So we're going to add m and 8. We copy m and the word and is translated to a plus sign, and 8 we copy it. So the sum of m and 8 is translated to m plus 8, and that is our final answer. Another keyword is total. Total means addition. So instead of translating the word total to addition, we use the word and to be translated to a plus sign. Example, the total of Q and 9. So the total of indicates addition, and we have to add Q and N. We copy Q, and the word and means addition, since we are asked to find the total of these two. And we copy 9. So the total of Q and 9 is translated to Q plus 9. And that is our final answer. That ends session 1. Now, let's practice. Kindly access the Google form below this video. Happy learning!